Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove widgets on your MacBook. First I will show you how to remove widgets from this notifications center and also widgets added to the desktop. Let's start with the desktop ones. To remove this widget, simply click on it using the right button of your mouse and select Remove Widget like this. And as you see, the widget is completely removed. Here they are not moved to the trash because if you want to restore them, they are not accessible from the trash, so be cautious here. How to remove widgets from the notification center? It's simple. Open it first by hitting the time here like this. You will, as you see, I have 3 widgets. To remove them, simply click on edit widgets, and after that you will start seeing this minus icon on the top of each widget. Now let's remove this calendar widget, and just like this it is removed. And this is how to remove widgets from on your MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.